So how comes me find the pool and me not find Mixie? How come me find the pool and me not find Mixie? At the wrong hotel me come? Eh? At the wrong place me come? Huh? Eh? Oh, me not see Mixie. Huh? Oh, I don't see Mixie. Mixie, you see me fi do pool like you. Mixie, fi keep off hands. I mean, I have no damn hands on me. I alone have hands on you. See me find one pool here, but then say you're not there. Ah! Mixie, where are you? Mixie! Where you there? See me find the pool here. Where you there? What a go on, my queens? What a go on, my kings? How are you guys doing? How are you guys? Marie Stewart, Misty Thompson, Cheryl Ruggs, National. What Mixie there? Ask Betty. She in the bush. Me feel so she hide from me, you know. Some informer go tell her, say me I come look for her, you know, and she hide from me, you know. Yes, man. What Mixie there? Good evening, Suzette. Dominique. Nation. How you doing, Nation? Huh? Thank you, Nation. Huh? Thank you, Fry Planting. Miss Makida. How are you? Ask Mix up Betty. You know, some I don't trust Betty. You know, I don't trust Betty. You know? She a back and belly rats. And a master baker this a chocolate. Thank you. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Cheryl Rocks. Thank you, Suzette. Nicola, thank you. Thank you, Christine. Thank you, Antoinette. How y'all doing? Y'all good? I just got here. Chocolate not come here for Mixie. Chocolate come here from business move. You understand me? Chocolate come from business move, yeah? Yes, chocolate there from business move. A master baker alone come down here for Mixie. And chocolate there from business move. You understand? Yeah, man, me bring some school supplies to the kids. Then you remember that I bought the school supplies and I asked somebody to bring them down for me. But you know, me the type of person when I ask somebody to do something and them attitude not right. Me say me jump on a plane and just bring it myself. You understand me? And then me have business to do. So me say me just make it a one-shot deal. Yeah. So me bring down the school things. Yeah. Them never say no, you know, but you know, you can tell a person, and I mean, don't pay for the suitcase, you know, you can tell a person attitude like it's gonna be a bother. So I don't want to buy the school supply and somebody win it and then them not end up getting it. So I say I have business to do out here anyways. I'll just book and come and deal with my business and then just bring the school supplies the same time. Yeah, man, me just do it myself, yeah? So I ensure that, you know, the child will get his or her, I don't know if it's a girl or a boy or whatever, but I'll ensure that they get the stuff that I bought. So I just jump on a little flight and come. And it's so nice, yeah? It's so nice because it's so windy, so it's not as hot as I'm used to it, yeah? And thank God for that, because although I'm born in Jamaica, me and eat can't get along. I come here enough time and break out, yeah? So I'm glad it's not that hot where I'm at, yeah? But just me. Just me, Karen Beer, big up yourself. Some people mindset is low, but I'm glad you do it. Yeah, man. Yeah, and you know, I'm not mad. You know, I'm not mad because the person have them own stuff for bring. You know, but they promise that if you buy the stuff, I'll take it for you. If somebody in Jamaica end up winning, I'm Arlene Levy. Nidra, how you doing? Yeah, and it's just the attitude, and I'm like, you know, never mind. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Every time I get to come to Jamaica, it's awesome. I love it. I love Jamaica. You know, I'm a yard me there. Yeah, I'm a yard me there. Yes. I'm going to give you a master baker. Right out here, sir. I say, man, when you give a master baker out here on my weekend, you're going to make a piece up on your pants. I'm going to make a piece up on a baggy. I'm going to give a piece of master baker out here, so you see? Because me bring apron, you know. And it hot, you know. And when me come out here, you know, me not play, you know. Yeah, man, me gonna enjoy myself. You love my wig? Thank you, thank you. Reach up at 99 quicker. I don't know if I gonna reach at 99. I don't know if I gonna reach at 99. I don't make no promises, you know. I don't know if I gonna reach at 99. I have a venue to go check out. Somebody want me to do their venue for them for a wedding. So yeah, so I have that to do. Yeah, I may have a bank figure. And when you go to bank, you have a whole day business, you know, man. That's the only part me dread. Yes. Welcome home. Thank you. Jeanette. Secure the, yeah, man, you have to, you know, you have to do what it takes. Yeah. Thank you, Marie Stewart. Thank you. Yes, so I'm so excited for that child to get their school stuff. And somebody won some Bath and Body Works from us too. I brought those. I wanted to set up. No, me not do it, yeah. Me not do it. Me did set up my bathroom sink and me gonna see, but too much bad mind people that are on social media, yeah. And then people gonna feel like me a show off, or for them stay. You can't do nothing out of just good gesture. If you have your followers, them just be here with you. They might say, oh, she a show off. I don't know, so me not show off. Don't. Me not have it in me. I'm pay attention to the a little bit to the comments. So welcome home, enjoy. Okay. What else? Secure the bag, Gillette. Keep the skit coming. Yeah, man. Because I know Auntie busy too, and me get busy. That's why it took me so long to come respond to her. You know when you have things to do. Not because I'm not on social media showing my life and what me I do. Me prefer it that way. I'm just that type. You know, me not knock nobody who does it. That's just me. Yeah, but me busy too. So it took me a good little time to respond to the Mixie. And I know it's probably gonna take Auntie a minute to respond to show off if you no, me not have it in me for show off. I'm tired of people target me for no reason. Yeah, I know Auntie are probably busy too, so whenever she can, you know, you guys just have to bear with us, because and I like say we sit down around and just do master baker Mixie. You know, say Auntie busy, I'm busy too, you know. So whenever we get the time, and sometimes she might not respond right away. I might not respond right away, but just know say we'll keep this thing going for a little while till we get the finale. You know what I mean? It's so much fun. Yeah, it's so much fun. Yeah, so much fun. Yeah, wanna talk to me, sir? Wanna want me? Oh, there's so much stuff in my unload. Let me tell you about the goodness of God. Because I always have to talk about him. Yeah? So, when you travel first class, Pan American airline, I come to Jamaica, you get 2 suitcases free. Them can weigh up to 70 pounds. You get them free. This is the first time I actually brought an extra suitcase. So I said, alright, since I get the 2 suitcases free, I just going to do the extra suitcase and pay for it with the school supplies and some other stuff for my business, right? Hi, Ed Teacher K. How you doing, sweetheart? How are you, queen? Looking forward to seeing the decor picture. Or if they will allow me to post them, because some people don't do social media and they don't want them stuff on social media. And then I choose, you know, I want to keep my stuff that I don't want nobody copy my stuff. Yeah. But we showed us out. Anyways, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna bring the 2 suitcases, because I get them free. Because when you do first class, you get up to 2 suitcases free, up to 70 pounds. So I said, cool. I'll just pack the school supplies and some stuff for my business to bring down and pay for that extra suitcase, like me don't pay for the people them to bring down. When we got it, this morning when I went to the airport, I didn't know how much of the extra suitcase. I think say maybe, I want $40 or I want $50. Yeah? When I go at the machine, it said $200 for the extra suitcase. I'm like, $200? So I said, oh no man, so it must be wrong. $200? One suitcase? So anyway, I said, I go to the customer service desk. So I go to the customer service desk and this man I checked me in. And when he put in the information and stuff, he said $200. I'm like, oh, $200? Really? So the machine never did wrong. So I said, all right, I take out my card and I give it to him. And he looked at me and he said to me, there's something about you. There's just something about you. I said, huh? What is it? I was just there talking to him, you know, and I said, you know, how long you been in a job? And said 15 years. Just, you know, casual conversation. He said, there's just something about you. And this is what I did for you. You're going to get it for $100. That's a blessing too, right? Like, wow, great. But here the party now. When we reach, I'm on to go to the airport. And them said to me, say, how long you gonna be here? I'm gonna tell them the amount of days I'm gonna be here. The woman said, with all this luggage? I said, yes, because I gotta change multiple times a day. It's all clothes and shoes and all of that. I mean, I'm staying at a resort, so I'm not staying with families. I'm not bringing anything for anybody. She said, you need to get in the line and make them scan your luggage. I said, people, my heart drop. Yeah, oh my God, because I'm out of sitting there, I'm having a my suitcase, you know. I have all steamer, yes, yeah, mounter, pair stuff for business, purse. Yo, I say if them ever open that, when they're done with me, because usually me just ship for my business, you know, just ship barrels, and I have my contact down, yeah. But this time, I say I put some stuff in a suitcase. Yo, the woman said, boy, scanner. When I go walk over now to the scanner, there was a man and a woman. And the one with them scanner. Everybody, me see them open them suitcase and I dig up them suitcase. Me say, Lord Jesus, me do me know about that couple thousand me have to go here. When them bust see me suitcase, them you know. And me walk off and me say, God, you know, say me and you travel from morning. You make that workout with the man with suitcase and for 200 and you're making give to me for 100. And me and you walk over, yes or no. Alright? So I walk over there. You won't believe it, people. When we reach over there, the man and the woman were over there check. He scanner, I check people them suitcase and I read what I got through the scanner. The two of them start one conversation. All of my luggage just slide right through the scanner. And then no pay them no mind. It was them so engaged in a conversation that them don't see none, them not get a chance to look in and none of my suitcase them. Yes. When me done and take them up and put them on a trolley, I walk out, I say, that's what I talk about, your goodness. Your goodness, I wish people for the day of it witness your goodness. Yes. Because God did see in my heart, so I really want to bring the stuff for the kids. You know what I mean? I really want to do it. And for them, you know, for God charge me on top of his suitcase, which made up pay for it. You understand me? But I was like, man, come on. Come on now. I don't want to spend no more money. What I'm doing for the goodness of my heart. Yeah, come on now. I may tell you, my bag them go straight through. Not one of them. I must say when me I walk with two of them done chat. And see me I walk with my bag them pan the trolley. I walk out and I say, yeah, that's why I talk about your goodness. Come talk to God like me and my brethren, you know. I said that's what I talk about, the goodness of you, and them, I pity them not know. Yeah, pity them not know. Yeah, man, God is awesome. Yes, it was so amazing. Yes, I'm tired, I'm hungry. Them have room service. I might just get room service tonight. Take a shower, get room service, and call it a night. Call it a night. Yeah. Kind of like me have no company. Not nobody for hang out with it. Not nobody for hang out with. I'm lonely. I'm so lonely. Where's Blackie Mango to come record me? Where is Mikey? Where are you guys? Are you? I'm fine. I'm used to this. I do this all the time. When I sleep, my body off. And then tomorrow, bless up yourself, Marva, Misty, Stephanie. Where's Vanilla? Vanilla is home. I'm here alone. Yeah. I'm alone. Mike, you're needed. Mike, good man. Then I wonder if they want to call Mike and tell him, say me alone there at Jamaica. Anybody want to call him and report him wife? That's your alone down here. Yes. Oh. It's nice. First time I come out this resort. Yeah, I'm not go me Airbnb when I'm here alone. I'm round it too lonely. I'm afraid, you know, people, although I'm going like say me a bad girl like Master Vika. Round there, no, you don't see nobody. Yeah. And then a 2-story. So I'm afraid. I resort now, you have a heap of people. You have a heap of people. And your music and singing. Round the lonely, although I get it, but round the lonely, Baba. Yeah. And besides, somebody did it. When I see in the bathroom, when I see me come up, see me there. When I see what I have, I take this man come my outfit. He come with one belt. I take out the belt. Forget comfortable. When I see my shoes. My board, so I don't have to just be bored with me. Whatever. My shoes there. Be bored with me. I'm in my bathroom. That's where the magic happens. And in here, them wash shower. Me not use them soon. I always bring my own. There you have bathtub over here. In a bag of those, just call me alone. You understand? For me and Mike now, we have issues. Yeah. I'm very stocious when it comes to choosing somewhere to stay. Yes, my love. Very high-chested. Yeah. I'm not simple like me, my love. No. And then blame me. They will think of me and not me and Mike. Yeah. Theme choices them all the way up there. Me alright anyway me there. Yeah. Me can't make myself happy anywhere me there. Whoa. Mind your business. Mind your in business. Mind your business. Whoa. A dollar wine. Oh, wrong thing. Oh, no, hear me sing different song. It nice? I'm going to test the water. It's cool. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, nice. It's big though because they have like golf cart taking people around. Like it's a golf cart that brought me to my room. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get around and find the restaurants them. They said they have 10 restaurants here. Pool right outside. Yeah, it's a swim out. Yeah, it's a swim out. My room is a swim out. Yeah, the pool there right here. Yeah. But it don't make no sense. I'm alone. I'm not gonna come in here. We'll just come in there if we can't master baker. That's about it. That is about it. Yeah, we'll go down to the beach one idea. When me get time. This is where me will like. Yeah. Whoa, who want to stay with me? Me bored. Me bored. Yes, me bored. Tomorrow, Friday. Yes, me now meet up nobody till tomorrow. Tomorrow. But who want to spend tonight? Me bored. Ooh. Me bored. Me bored. Oh. Mixie. Mixie, do this and beat me. Do this and beat Master Baker. If me love Mixie one more time. Alright, my beautiful people. Nice view, you love your view? No one see me? Alright, see view. See the view there. No one see me, no one see rotted view. Eh? Without me, you can't see the rotted view. When Mixie in pool and a show off for he show on a view. What do want Master Baker show on a view? Mixie did show on a view. More up there post sooner like 6 at a compulsory pass. Eh? So I don't want Master Baker for show on a view. Mixie not did that. I pose like 6. Eh? I take compulsory pass. Eh? Mixie did that show on a view. I don't want Master Baker come show on a view. Oh, come like the music, you're nice, you know? Yeah. Why you drawing out Mixie? Social media newsroom. If you're not stay out of me a Mixie business, if two we go gang up and come get a fine beating over there, you hear me? Yeah. You understand? If you not stop report for me a Mixie, we're going to come up, it two we go just gang up. And come for you. You understand me? You're worse than Betty. You're worse than Betty. Everything you run go tell Mixie. Eh? Everything social media newsroom. Run go tell Mixie. No, sir. Yeah. The two of we are gonna just come together as friends and make up and come for you. You understand me? Yeah, because must you are Betty. Yeah. And must you are Betty. We are trying to figure out look at none of we never see Betty. So we are trying to figure out who are Betty, and social media newsroom may have a feeling of you. Yeah. Me have a feeling of you are Betty. Yeah. Me just have to find out who Merkel. Yeah, me just have to find out who Merkel is. Cause me think say are you social media newsroom, are you a Betty? Me not ask. Yeah. But me not friend up not damn Mixie, so me don't know how we are going to turn friend for take you on. Me not friend in a row. You understand me? You have to get a beat down first. Yeah. Yeah. The thief me make up. You understand? I just friend her up so make she get her with it. No. Yeah. Me have to give her what me promise her. Yeah. Give her what me promise her. You understand? Everything me look over there. Social media newsroom reporting. I'm biased to it now. All for Mixie. Mixie, Master Baker said this. And Master Baker said that. Setana. News reporter, man. Yeah. Damn Setana. Social media newsroom. Yeah, man. Pola we go and gang up. Yes. Me and Mixie, including all Merkel too. Yeah. And come for you. Yeah, man, me I watch you, man. Yes. Every little thing. Mixie. You know see Master Baker. Yes, this and Master Baker that. No make Master Baker do this. Run out from Master Baker. Yeah. And then go over there too, you know. Mixie. Master Baker this and come. No, she come over here. Mixie this and Mixie that. Your back and belly rat like Betty. And most you are Betty. Now ask. Yeah, Betty. Yeah. We are going to report you. You're going to report me, man. Yes. When I know you are a teacher came. You see a teacher came too, man. Yeah. Master Baker this and Master Baker that. When I gang up on me with the all Mixie, me have a feelings. You know, I take side. Yeah, but I take side. Yeah, that's why me have to gear what me promise her. You understand? Me can't catch you no, but me can't catch Mixie. Me can't catch you no, but me sure can't catch Mixie. Watch and see. Yes, man. Anyway, guys. I gotta take a shower, you hear? I don't know what me touch on the phone, but I gotta take a shower. I'm gonna get something for eat, yeah? Love you guys and see you another weekend, you hear? When me done do what me supposed to do. Big up on yourself. Alright? Enough love. We're going to let you chat too much, social media newsroom. You go along with your Betty self.